Angie Orkin is back from the Wisconsin Beef Council. We're talking foil packet meals. Today we've got a little steak involved.
Yeah, I've got a steak and potato foil pack, so that's kind of fun.
Ooh, I love it. And this is so easy, kind of fun.
It is. Perfect for traveling, tailgating, or even the backyard, gas grill, charcoal grill, or the oven.
Love it.
Very versatile and easy cleanup, because we're using heavy duty foil. Now the recipe on beeftips.com calls for flat iron steak. I have top sirloin.
Okay.
Because it was more economical.
And whatever works.
Yep,
you can kind of pick and choose.
You can, definitely. Just get a nice tender steak since you're not marinating it. You're just going to cook this in 20 minutes. So this is 3/4 of a pound of top sirloin that I just kind of did in big chunks. We're actually making half of the recipe.
All right.
And my top sirloin was more than a half a pound. So I got a little extra steak, but that's perfect. That's why we're eating this, right? Some yellow potatoes. And I quartered them, some little Yukon Golds. I've got white onion, so we're gonna do about half of a medium-sized onion. And then carrots, so I did 2 large carrots. This is 1 carrot. I peeled it and then medallioned it. Then we've got some garlic, of course. We gotta do garlic with steak and potatoes. Oregano, parsley, and onion powder.
Yum.
Okay. Then we are going to throw in a little salt and pepper. A little kosher salt. Finish it off with some extra virgin olive oil or some vegetable oil. Do you want to spray that piece of foil there, Josh? So I've got 4 pieces of heavy-duty aluminum foil. Just going to give this a mix. So this is the half a batch. So I'm going to put half of this in the foil. I'm gonna eyeball it.
That looks delicious.
Like that. It might be kind of big, but that's okay.
I like a good portion size.
There you go. Just gonna pull up your sides. Do a double wrap on top. Keep some room in there for steam. A double wrap on each end. Now a nice medium heat, low heat grill or fire or however, or the oven, probably 400 degrees, about 20 minutes. It'll cook your steak through, it'll cook those potatoes and that onion, and let's grab them here. The moment of truth.
My favorite part.
I know. Okay. And then be careful opening them because they're gonna be hot.
Always hot.
Yep. So, do as I say, not as I do. Don't open them right away with your bare hands, people. But for the
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, I'd finish it off with a little more salt and pepper. But yeah, these are our steak and potato foil packs. Can be made remotely on a grill or at home in your oven or over a campfire. Beeftips.com. Click on As Seen on TV page. All of the recipes are right there, easy for you to find. And we have a great outdoor cooking page if you want to kind of brush up on some tips and tricks to cooking while traveling.
Yeah, what a perfect time of year for that, too. All right,
Exactly.
Angie, as always, thank you. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.